Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, a channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today, we're going to do a recap on Duko. If you guys have not tapped in with me on the Money Bags Mansion down below in the description, you missed out on this one, but it's still not too late. We're going to do some price prediction, technical analysis. I also want to welcome all the Duko. I can see it in the analytics, tons of subscribers from the video. The video is starting to pick up a lot of steam because the charts are going crazy. So we're going to talk about this one at the end of the video. So make sure you guys watch to the very end. I mean, the charts are strong and we're strong over here at Duko. But let's do a recap. Let's go ahead and make sure that you guys are also make sure that this is lit. Make sure that the bell notification is lit and give them a follow at DukoCoin. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. We got 14K followers pretty fast. Come over here, like and retweet everything. Obviously, we're doing our meme thing. This is what we're supposed to be doing. I'm going to call on the same community. Just like on that last video, you guys are going crazy. It's being shared. Subscribers are loading up on it. You guys are liking it like crazy. Try to get as many likes as this as well. Like that, the YouTube algorithm will push this video out to get more people looking at Duko. This one's going crazy. This is the thumbnail that I use right here because this is how the charts are looking. Literally is looking this strong right now. And let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So like that, you guys do not miss out on this. Let's go ahead and close this up really quick. Let it load up. All right, so we're sitting at a $6.3 million market cap. We got $3.3 million in volume. We got 2,300 holders, about to be 24. And this is where we're at from the last time I did the price predictions and technical analysis. Of course, these things do not happen picture perfect, but when they do happen, they do resemble what we talked about. Yes, the price did pull back. Yes, we found a lower support level, but this is crypto. It's DeFi. It's highly volatile. Nobody has a crystal ball to be able to look into the future, and this is why this is not financial advice. But once we held this support, you can see we held this support the whole way, just consolidating. And then this motion we talked about, breaking up, coming back down, finding a support, and continuing up. Breaking up, coming back down, finding a support, and breaking back up. And boy, did it break back up. Man, go crazy in the comments right now because this is what we're doing. Make sure you guys tap in with me on the Money Bags Mansion. I'm shilling the DukoCoin up in there for all of us because I got a bag on this one. If you got in, I mean, you're looking nice right now. Now, let's talk about some new entry points. Of course, we got the cliche out the way, not financial advice, but let's go ahead and talk about these new levels that we're at right now, right? Let's go ahead and identify. There's going to be some more people wanting to enter. This is where we're at right now, okay? So let's scoot this over. This is where we're at right now. This is the channel that we're trading in right now, okay? These are our zones. These are our ranges. Now, this could be the next $100 million project. You might not want to care about all this and just jump in. You know, it's been trending on Dex Tools back to back. Right now, we're trending number 7, and it is hot. I mean, it's moving, it's grooving. But if you want to be, you know, building some good practices, I like to practice to load up on supports. So I like to load up on 54. It's a good price. When it breaks above here, comes back down, makes a support. That's another good level too. But we can see that this is a area that we need to break past to get back above up there because we can see that tap right there and this other tap to happen right here. That's how this range is identified right here. And we most likely will consolidate right here. But anything can happen. We can consolidate right here, break above, come back down, shoot up. We don't have to consolidate. We can literally, whale can just step through and see that this one just continues to keep pumping. And we can push right up to go break past the psychological barrier, which is really going to be exactly where we wicked, almost exactly where we wicked up to. If we look, the 10 cents mark right here. We almost wicked up to that exactly. That is a psychological barrier. It's going to go like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so forth. So right now that we delete that 0, if we can delete that 0 and get above that and hold above that, we're going to be pushing into the next zone, which that is above the $10 million market cap. Then we start getting that FOMO to kick in where we start going into the tens of millions of market cap and then the hundreds of millions of market cap. So getting above this, erasing the 0, deleting the 0, I should say in our lingo, and holding above that, any kind of support above that, that's going to be crazy bullish for us. So these are the ranges that we have. Of course, you know, if we consolidate, this range on the lower side is going to be the 54.29. So just keeping it transparent with you guys. I want you guys to get this video out there. Stay tapped in with me on the Money Bags Mansion. I'm going to keep you guys updated when it comes to this one, because this one is hot right now. And also making sure you guys do not miss out on everything going on with the crypto space. We got Bitcoin breaking over 52,000 on the regular. We got ETH breaking over 2,800. We got Sol doing its thing. When people thought it was dead, it, like, you know, just came back from the dead, if anything. And the markets are in our favor right now. And we need to come together as communities, as projects, as everyone, to keep this momentum hype. We got the Bitcoin ETF. We got a lot of things happening in our space that are in our favor to print some millionaires. If you guys want to rock with me and attempt to do that, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, bell notification, Money Bags Mansion, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.